Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with Mikeicemachine. Today is August 29th, 2024. Here I'm making a video to show around my factory. In this video, I'm going to show that we are making some cube ice machines, cubic shape. It's another kind of ice for cooling beverage and drinks. Cubic shape. This is a 2 ton per day capacity cube ice machines. It's equipped with 8 evaporators. This machine is in function. We can see the water circulation is going on. By the side, we have a 5 ton per day capacity cube ice machine. 5 ton in every 24 hours. This machine is equipped with 18 pieces of evaporators. We are going to see that and do the calculation inside later. Okay, and this is the foot switch. When we press it down, ice will come out from this outlet. Okay, so this is how it works. This is the ice outlet of the cube ice machine. This is the inside of my factory. We do the assembly here. This is 5 ton per day machine. Let's calculate the quantity of the evaporators. We can see the evaporators from the back of the machine, and we can do the calculation. There are altogether 18 pieces of evaporators, and this machine is also 5 ton per day. It's equipped with 25 horsepower compressor. So this is the model of the beta compressor. It's a 25 horsepower compressor. You can also call it a 28 horsepower. Anyway, we call it 25 horsepower. It's equipped with a water cooling condenser. And this is the heat exchanger. Okay, this is another 5 ton per day cube ice machine. We can do the calculation here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 pieces of evaporators, and they are all located above the hopper. This is the hopper for collecting all the ice, and we can see the screw conveyor in the bottom of the hopper. This is the tank for collecting all the water to do the water circulation. Okay, so this is how the machine looks from the front. It's a 5 ton per day capacity cubic shape ice machine, and this is another one. This one is almost complete, and this one we just start assembling. This is another one, 5 ton per day. Cubic shape ice is another kind of ice for cooling beverage and drinks. And my factory is professional with cube ice machine and cube ice machines. Cube ice machine, TUBE. And our cube ice machine allow you to make 2 kinds of ice: solid ice cylinder with no holes and hollow ice tubes. This is the video to prove we can also make very good quality cubic shape ice machines. And you're welcome to place orders to me. I'm going to give you a very good price for our cube ice machines. Again, today is August 29th, 2024, and this is the video to prove we are professional with cube ice machines. So this August we're making many cube ice machines. 5 ton per day number 1. Cube ice machine 5 ton per day number 2. cubic machine, 5 times a day, number 3. Cubic machine, 5 times a day, number 4. Cubic machine, 5 times a day, number 5. This is the number 5 times a day cubic machine. This is the machine's ice outlet. The ice come out when you press the foot switch, and this is the 2 times a day cubic machine in function. Okay, let's open the door to check the inside. There are 8 evaporators in this 2 times a day cubic machine. We can see the water circulation in each evaporator, and this is the ice storage bin. You can see it's almost full. This is the ice made by the machine with cubic shape. Okay. The ice come out when you press the foot switch. The screw came here. Remove the ice cubes out of the storage bin. So then, bueno. The ice come out of the storage bin very smoothly. It's so convenient. Okay. So in this August, we're mainly making the cubic machines.